Hello my friends, welcome back to another episode of My Lemonade Life. I'm Debbie and today we are going to make something that's going to add a little bit of pizzazz to your meals. We are going to make some marinated pickled red onions and they are going to just add just a little bit of zip and tang to your meals, and you can use them on so many different things. This is going to be just like a super quick idea, and it's something that you can use as a gift for friends and stuff if you're going to a potluck or you're going to somebody's house for dinner and you want to just take a little something to them. This is going to be super easy. So I have here one red onion sliced super thin, and you guys, you would not believe what it smells like in my kitchen, or maybe you would, but we're going to just stuff this jar full, as full as we can get. I've sliced these really pretty thin. Not as thin as I would like to get them because I didn't use a mandolin, and I wanted them to be thinner, but they're not. So we're going to use them like they are. They will marinate, they will pickle, they will, they'll get soft, they'll do what they're supposed to do, whether they're thick or thin. And so I'm just going to stuff this jar, and we actually have probably enough to do 2 jars. So I got 2 jars out just in case. But this was a little bit of a big onion, so next time I'll use a funnel maybe to get these down in there. I'm sure my hands are going to smell like onions for days now. But I'm going to tell you a couple of things that you can do with these. You guys, they're amazing on tacos. They are super delicious on burgers. You can add them to your potato salad, your egg salad as a garnish. Fish tacos are super good on fish tacos. Barbecue beef sandwiches or barbecue pork sandwiches, just give it a little zip. It's gonna have, it's almost like, well, it is pickled, so it's got vinegar in it, so it's gonna, and it's got sugar in it, so it's gonna be really yummy. Okay, so I have here a clove of garlic that I'm gonna stick in each jar. And I have a few peppercorns, so we'll just throw a few peppercorns in here, just to maybe make it have a little more zip and spice. And then I'm gonna make the brine. Okay, so I have here a cup of boiling water. I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, and we're going to mix that a little bit until it dissolves. If you want to, you can put this on the stove and boil it, simmer it, do whatever for a few minutes, and just bring it to a boil so it's nice and hot and the sugar dissolves. And salt. You guys, usually I use pink Himalayan salt, but I used it recently on a clear product, and it gives it kind of a little bit of a muddy color, so I just used plain old Morton salt this time, but you're able to use whatever salt you want to. And then I have here a cup of apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to pour this in with the boiling water and the sugar and the salt. You guys, this is so super easy. Gifts from the kitchen, don't forget, I hate to say it, but we are getting close to that holiday time. Closer than I'd like to think. And then we're just gonna pour it over the top until the onions are covered. And if you don't have enough, just add a tiny little bit more water. Mix it with vinegar if you want to. And we're gonna put this, we're just gonna let these sit for a little while. We're gonna let them sit uncovered for about an hour. And they should turn pink, and when they turn pink, then we can cover them and put them in the fridge, and they will stay good for up to 3 weeks. And so this is amazing, you guys. And then you just, I'll show them to you when they're done. But we just pick them out of the jar. You can eat them plain. You can just add them to whatever you're making for dinner. It just gives a little punch of color and a little punch of flavor. Show you what it's like when it's all done. Okay, you guys, I decided to have some avocado toast for dinner. So I'm just gonna really quickly. Okay, you guys, look how beautiful this color is. Look how pretty this is. You know, when you hear about in the olden days when they used to use vegetables to dye their clothes and things like that, this must be where hot pink came from red onions. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay some of these on top. I am not a huge onion person, but these kind of remind me of when my grandma used to make pickled cucumbers, so I think I'm gonna love them. Pepper grinder. Okay, let's take a taste. I should have had a napkin. You guys, there's a little pop of sweet and tangy. Totally elevates that avocado toast. I always forget I'm not supposed to eat my meal while I'm talking to you. But it tastes so good. You guys, I hope you've loved this really quick, easy recipe. Yeah, my mom told me not to talk with my mouth full, but I still do it. Anyway, so I hope you've loved this quick recipe. Go ahead and try it. Use it on your friends. Use it on your scrambled eggs. Use it on your hamburgers. Use it on your potato salad. Super easy, super quick, super beautiful. You guys, these jars are great for gifting. I got these at IKEA. I don't think they were very much. They were a couple bucks. And look how pretty it is.